In this video, I will show you how to check previous follow requests on Instagram. Now, the first thing you have to do is to tap on this heart icon right here. It is to check if what you're looking for is here, and if it's not, you can find it in a different way. Now, you just have to tap on this profile icon right here, and then click the three lines on the upper corner. Now, hit Account Center, and scroll down to find your information and permission. You just have to tap on that. Now you just have to download your information and click on that. And click on download or transfer information. You just have to choose your Instagram and hit next. Now click on some of your information and scroll down to see followers and following. You just have to tap on that and hit next. Now, when you see download to device, you just have to hit next. You can change the date range depending on what you want and create files. You just have to wait for the file to be ready, and that's it. That's the